Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to review and unbox as well as swatch out the new McGrath little lip trio that she came out with 3 mini red toned lipsticks. Each one is 0.04 ounces and that makes up about 0.12, which her normal lipstick sizes are 0.14. So you're almost getting a full size lipstick for just 25 bucks. The colors in here are Elson, Obsessed, and Full Panic. Without any further ado, let's get into lip swatching, guys. So within the little baggie, it comes with this little kind of, I'm not going to pull it out, but this little kind of plastic, sequins everywhere. This little plastic holder for all 3 pieces. I'm just going to pop that. Damn it, I lost one. Okay, I'm just going to set this down very carefully. Here are the 3 baby lipsticks. Just to compare size, this is like a regular MAC lipstick. So here it is. It's a little bit smaller in size, but I assume it does pack quite a bit of a punch. So let me take off the lip balm I'm wearing and let's get into the first shade. The first shade we have is Obsessed. Oh, these are so little. It looks like an orangey red. It almost looks like it has a bit of a powder finish. That's really interesting. The second shade is Elson. It looks like a terracotta orange red. And number 3, we have Full Panic, which looks like a muted, dusty, mauvey red pink. And those are the 3 shades. This one, I thought it was going to be more of like a reddish pink, but it seems like a pretty true kind of magenta hot pink shade. This is not a shade I ever would have picked up for myself, but it's really cute and I actually like it. I think it's perfect for a holiday if you are kind of moving away from the red. But to kind of show you guys, this is MAC Sin, and here is the McGrath size. As you can see, the MAC is quite a bit larger, obviously, but I don't mind the McGrath ones being little itty-bitty ones because I don't want to commit to a $38 lipstick, which is kind of pricey for the full-size ones, but at least this way with the little minis, I get to try out different shades and see how the formula is. As far as the formula goes, it feels quite, when you're applying it, it feels like you have nothing on your lips. It is transferable, but it feels very comfortable and light. And from what it looks like, it's not really sinking into the creases and the cracks of my lip. It's just kind of staying where I put it. I'm curious to see how long this would wear if you were to go out, have some food, just hang out, maybe a few hours and not reapply it, if it would still look this good. But that is the quick review of all 3 of these little baby minis. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.